I have a KitchenAid double oven. No power after self-cleaning and door locked. Pulled oven out, checked thermal cutoff fuse. Obviously bad, so replaced it. But oven still won't power up. Verified power to the outlet.
Can you guesstimate how old your KitchenAid is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
About 10 years old. Model #KBC208KSS02.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Depends on how hard to diagnose.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
That's all I can think of right now.
One moment while I get some information for you. Note it takes time to type and add links, so please be patient. That is a common issue. There is a safety high limit thermostat that is mounted to the back of the oven cavity. You have to pull the unit out of the cabinet and remove the back panel on the unit to get to it. Then just change it out and it will work fine again. They seem to fail a lot after the self-cleaning cycles on those units. Here is a link to the part and a link so you can see the location. Click here part, click here location. A 5-star positive star to my response is required so that I can receive credit for responding to your post through the site.
That is the part I already replaced. The original had no continuity. The replacement tests good. I also checked the same part on the lower oven and it tests good as well.
Then check if you have 120 volts across the black and white leads from the P19-1 to the P19-3 wires. If you do replace the main control, there is nothing else that would cause it to be dead if you have voltage there. A 5-star positive star to my response is required so that I can receive credit for responding to your post through the site.
There is some kind of fusable link on the black P19-1. It does not appear blown, but my contactless tester is showing power on the input end but nothing on the out. Is that replaceable?
Do you mean this part? Click here.
That looks pretty similar. Since it is testing bad, I will give it a shot. THX.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.